Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to enable Shop Pay on Shopify. So if you want to add the option of Shopify on your Shopify store so people can use it to pay, then I'll show you how it could be possible. First, you have to open your Shopify app and then you have to click onto this settings icon. And after that, the settings will open. Once the setting gets open, then you will see some options on the left side of your screen. Now from all these options, you have to go and click onto this one, which is the payments. As you click onto it, then on the top you can see all these icons along with the shop pay icon. So you have to click onto this manage option and then you will get this page. Then click on manage payment methods and after that you will get to this page and here you will see the option for shop pay. Usually it is enabled, but if you see it is disabled, so you can just simply enable it through that icon and after that it will get enabled. But if it is disabled, then you can click onto it and after that it will get enabled. Now one thing you have to understand that ShopPay is not available all over the world. It is available in some countries. So if you come into that region or country, then you will get the option for ShopPay, otherwise you would not get it. But if you want to get it, then you have to change the location of your store, then you will be able to enable the ShopPay. So that's it. This is how you can enable Shop Pay on Shopify. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.